Hey guys, Chris from Throdle. I'm at a Celebrities Cars and Coffee out here in Eastern Serene in Henderson. We're gonna do a quick walk around, see what's going on. Got two McLarens right here. I want to say the 650s. A couple Dawson pickup trucks here, guys. These are becoming popular now. One of my favorite builds. I think we see him at Gears and Grind all the time, guys. You can kind of guess this is the Corvette Club right here. Vegas just comprised itself of many car clubs. That's how this car show kind of worked. If I see anything interesting, guys, I will point it out. There's a lot more old school stuff. Your mopars, your classics. Guys, here you go. Plum, purple, Challenger. But if you're here on a normal day in Vegas, on a Saturday morning, it's almost a guaranteed turnout. You'll always see something a little interesting, like Jaguars, nice Mercedes over here. I think the truck gang came out. I have no idea what that is. It says Mazda? You guys know what this is? Comment real quick. Army truck. Yeah, that's Vegas right there, guys. When you think Vegas, that's exactly what you think of us. Yeah, a lot of cool cars out here. A couple trucks. Got one of my favorite supercars, right? F430 Ferrari. These are those like Chevy Extreme. I don't remember these things. They're kind of like the S10s back in the day. Real quick, cool. Beautiful car right here. One of my favorite Ferraris. Not gonna even lie. That is one quiet Phantom. I think that's a Phantom Ghost. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, guys. Usually there's always something in this interesting row, like, look at that. It's kind of cool. Tractor with the old school being pulled by it. Like I said, a lot more classic than probably modern day cars, at least on this side of the parking lot. That is a badass van. I don't know about you guys, but kind of like when they do these vans like this. Kind of reminds me of those Japanese vans, the crazy ones you see with the fence, Americanized. Nice little retro touch. Actually, nothing too crazy. Oh, you got this great car. This was a lowrider before lowriders were lowriders. A lot of these guys only drive these cars probably on the weekend, probably to shows like this mostly. You guys didn't know Shelbys are built here in Vegas, so that's why we always see a whole bunch of Shelbys at our shows. I don't think any of these are real, but a lot of them are assembled here in Las Vegas at the Chevy Museum. We may get a tour of that one of these days. That's that Phantom we're talking about. Crazy interior like that. Remember correctly that some of the caps on these do not move. Brought the Z today, it's just easy to drive across town. Got these guys. Couple interesting cars. Aired out Audi R8, Audi S4. Ooh, this one's kind of a cool one. There's always something cool around. This kind of reminds me of one of those old school Nopi cars back in, like, I don't know if you guys have ever been to Nopi Nationals in Atlanta back in the day. It's a clean, simple interior. Still like it though. Don't need wide body for everything. Nice truck over there. Couple nice trucks. That's GTSV. Couple badass like VW things going on. 5.0s. Alright guys, go ahead and check out Celebrity Cars and Coffee here in Vegas. Check out their showroom too. It's actually pretty cool. We have for today, but I'll see you guys probably tomorrow or tonight for another car meet. Don't forget website right down here somewhere. Don't forget the app. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Throdle on Instagram. Follow us everywhere. Subscribe, click. Check out the YouTube channel. That's gonna start to go here shortly. And then when the app comes out, then that's all your car content in one spot. Peace out, guys. Have a good Saturday.